This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download iMovie. So iMovie, the popular Mac video editing tool, comes with a lot of Macs, but if for some reason yours doesn't come with a Mac or you want it on a different platform, you can come to this page. So this page right here, it's a bit of a mouthful. I'll put that URL, that link, in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on the link and wind up here. Now, there are different versions depending on your platform. This is for Mac. You can find it on the iPhone, the iPad, so on and so forth right there. What you will now do is you'll click View in the Mac App Store, and we click Open App Store, and that will actually open the App Store right here, and you can see that iMovie appears directly in the App Store. So if you don't know where the App Store actually is, you can access it via this button in the dock on your Mac, this blue button. You'll click there and the App Store will open. So I already have iMovie, so it's asking me to actually open it. But if you have not already installed iMovie, you will install it by clicking on Get here. So this will actually say Get rather than Open, and you will click on Get, and that will download it to your Mac. So hopefully you found this video on how to download and install iMovie useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.